We're going to get the spoken word now on trucking transportation from our Chief Equity Strategist, John Blank, from Los Angeles via Skype. John, this trucking industry activity on the upswing, huh?
It is, Terry. I just got back from Arizona. I drove the interstate out there, and I saw nothing but trucks going and coming. And I saw Knight transportation trucks, and I saw Swift transportation trucks. I saw Saia trucks, S-A-I-A, and I saw Heartland Express. I saw truck after truck coming and going, such that you couldn't even hardly see the passenger cars. So the idea here, Terry, and we see it in the Zacks ranks, is that trucking, which is a broad industry of 20 companies in our index, is a top 10% industry right now. And that means the economy is doing well, and people are shipping either themselves or their goods across the country. And this is good news, and we are seeing this parallel. The large companies, the railroads, the maritime companies, the FedExes and the UPSs, they're all doing well, Terry. So even if the stock market sold off, the transportation index is all held up. So this is the news that I think I want to tell our viewers, is that you have the Dow Transport's doing well, and you have the mid-cap trucking companies doing well and getting bought and shipping goods. And so that's the story you need to hear.
Okay, so it shows health in the economy, but as far as GDP growth on the year, what are you looking for?
Well, Terry, I think you got to divide 2014 in two halves. The first half was a bad winter and a big springback. In the second half, I think you're going to see 3 to 3.5% growth that has built into this economy and carry in through the next half a year. So I think, until we get an interest rate hike, this economy is a 3 to 3.5% economy, and we're going to be just fine.
Okay, dig into a couple of companies for me quickly in that industry.
Yeah, Terry, I threw out the names Knight Transportation and Saia, S-A-I-A. I'll talk a little bit about Saia. What they do is they're a less than truckload carrier. What that means is LTL, which is carrying something and sharing the truck with somebody else. So maybe my apartment's worth of my couch and whatnot with somebody else, and 3 or 4 other people, or lots of small businesses sharing trucks. So what that tells you, if Saia is doing well, it really is, the strength of the economy really is reaching a lot more people, a lot more small businesses, and a lot more retail shops. And that's the good news, is that Saia really shows that the fragmented small guy is starting to benefit from the economy's growth.
Okay. John, do you own that company? Or any of the others? I do not,
Terry. And I do not own Swift, Knight, or Saia. I wish I did. They've all done quite well this year.
All right, John, thanks for that. Keep on trucking, by the way. And there you have the spoken word on the trucking industry from John Blank, our Chief Equity Strategist. And with John, I'm Terry Ruffalo.